Maine desperately needs more psychiatric mental health resources and the healthcare professionals to run them. Many providers say they are still struggling to hire. News Center Maine's Caroline LaCour introduces us to a new program to better train nurses in behavioral health.
I knew pretty early on that I wanted to do something maybe in the psych field.
For any nurse, approaching your patients from a place of understanding is key. For Toya Francis, there's a personal connection.
I started struggling with mental health when I was around 12. There's a lot of family history with mental health.
But when it was time to join a residency program, she was met with limited options here in Maine. Some programs offer clinical rotations, but most spend little time on behavioral health before moving on to other specialties.
Many of them don't even do that. They're getting that kind of behavioral health training in a sim lab, in a simulation lab that really doesn't give them the opportunity to sit down with patients.
A new residency program from MaineHealth is changing that, offering a year-long series of monthly trainings as they work as RNs at a psychiatric hospital.
So it really is providing them with the training, the education, the mentorship, and the hands-on experience in order to build confidence.
Gia DiDonato is the Senior Director and Chief Nursing Officer at MaineHealth Behavioral Health at Spring Harbor and says only around 4 to 6% of nurses go on to work in the psychiatric mental health field. She's hoping the extra support through this program will change that.
So it's really important that we try to recruit nurses. It's an ever growing field.
5 nurses accepted for the first year of the program have since graduated, all staying on to work at Spring Harbor.
We have our wild days, but for the most part I've been really loving it here.
Including Francis. In a nuanced field such as behavioral health, she says the training has been invaluable for both her patients and team members.
Psych is kind of a gray area. I think just having the best education and new up-to-date information has really been helpful for us.
In Westbrook, Caroline LaCour, News Center, Maine.